welcome to my channel and to my home. My name is Brittany and I am here with another fall video today. I'm actually on my back patio, which is a space in my home I don't think I've shared here with you on YouTube, so I am really excited to share it here with you today. I live in Texas, and in Texas during the summer it is very hot, so when it starts to cool down in the fall, I love to enjoy my back patio in the mornings and in the evenings. So I thought I would prepare the patio today, get it ready for those autumn nights, just make it a little more festive and fun. We are decorating my patio today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get started. I thought I would start this video off with a look at the patio before we freshen it up a bit for fall today. This is by no means going to be a patio makeover, but I love a good before and after look, so I thought I would show you how it looks before we clean it up and add just a little bit of a fall touch to it. We are going to start off this video by doing just a little bit of cleaning. This is just going to be a quick little decorate with me video. I hope that you don't mind that. I definitely did not go all out or spend a ton of money on this fall patio refresh. I just wanted it to be very practical. My goal is to give this back porch just a bit of a seasonal touch. So I'm definitely not going all out here. I'm just adding a few decorations that I can enjoy on the back patio during this season. Here's a little peek at some of the fall porch decor, and of course Buddy looking out the back window there. Hi, Buddy. This centerpiece on my back patio table might just be my favorite piece of fall decor this year. I found this adorable white truck at Hobby Lobby, and all of the florals that I show in this video, everything you see on this table here, I found at Hobby Lobby this year. Okay, so we have to talk about this rug for just a quick second. I had meant to put this rug out before I started decorating, but I somehow got too excited and forgot, so I am putting it out right now. This rug is, oh look, there's me stopping to take a break and talk to my Instagram, probably about the rug in the patio. there, okay? Anyway, sorry for that distraction, but I am opening this rug up. This rug, I know people are going to say something. It is technically not an outdoor rug. No, it is not. It is an indoor rug. However, I have had this rug sitting in my garage forever. I had bought it on clearance on rugsusa.com. They have some great rugs, great deals. I will link this particular one below if you're interested. It is not an outdoor rug. The only reason I decided to use it out here, well, I have a couple of reasons. One, I really wanted to use something that I already had instead of investing in yet another rug when I had this one just sitting in my garage for a year. So I thought I would make some use out of it. And two, this really doesn't see the elements. It's a covered patio, and I'm only going to have the rug out for a few months, so it'll probably still be in really good condition at the end of the season. But I did just want to make a disclaimer. Yes, I know this rug is not intended for outdoor use, but I want to enjoy it, so I decided to just go ahead and put it out here, you guys. I had to interrupt this decorating video for just a second to show you my little helpers in the yard. A few deer, or a couple of deer rather, and a little fawn came up while I was decorating the patio, so I thought I would share them here with you. There's lots of wildlife where I live, and I just really enjoy them, and I love when they come to visit me in my yard. If you've watched some of my other videos, then you've probably noticed these lanterns. These are some of my favorite decor pieces in my home, and I thought it would be fun to bring a couple of them out to the patio this season so that I could enjoy them out here as well. I decided to wrap these lanterns in some really cute pre-lit fall garland that I found on Amazon. It came in a pack of 2. It's really cute. I will link it below. But I wanted to talk about these lanterns for just a second because I get asked about these every time they're in a video, and I found these at a boutique that specializes in handcrafted, unique pieces, furniture, home decor, things like that. So I don't know where to find them online because I just found them at a place that was local to me. But if I ever have a link for you, or I ever find something similar online, I will be sure to link it here on YouTube. Before someone mentions it in the comments, I just want to say that I know I am only showing faux florals in the video today for the sake of fall decorating. I wanted to add just a little bit of extra seasonal color in the video today. I do plan on adding some actual real life plants to the back and my front porch this season, so don't worry, there will be living plants here soon. I just haven't made a trip to my local nursery, which is the place I prefer to buy all my plants from. I am, however, thinking about going this week because they have the cutest pumpkin patch every year, and I just saw on their Instagram that all their pumpkins are in. I haven't bought any pumpkins this year yet either, so I'm so excited to go get some pumpkins and some seasonal plants. And when I do that, I will share it over on my Instagram stories. I always share fun little things like that on my stories. So if you aren't following me on Instagram, be sure to do so. I post a lot of additional content there that you won't see here on YouTube. And if I add anything to the patio or other rooms this season that I've already posted here on YouTube, I usually will just share it over on
Instagram. So be sure to check out my Instagram page. My username is Brittney Blaine, just like it is here on YouTube. I always have it linked in the description of all my videos. And if you do find me on Instagram, don't be shy. Be sure to tell me hello because I love to talk to you all there just like I do here.